brain drain is the immigration of highly trained or intelligent people from a particular country. In this case, we're taking a closer look at Jamaica. The Mobile Youth Survey has just concluded a survey published by the Jamaica Gleaner, June 28, 2022, revealing that some 81% of respondents between the ages 14 to 40 would be ready to migrate at the drop of a hat, if not before, if given the opportunity. The Jamaica Prime Minister Andrew Holness stated, "It is infuriating to many of them, and when we talk to them, particularly the millennials, they just want to leave. They want to just go overseas and enjoy the benefits that are existing in other developed countries." This further confirms that brain drain is a problem in Jamaica.
We're following breaking news out of Pompano Beach, where migrants have come ashore this morning.
Sky 10 capturing a boat pressed against a seawall nearby. Let's go now to Local 10 News reporter Syra Onward.
She's live at that scene with some breaking details for us. Syra, what can you tell us?
So Janice and Christy, earlier this morning, Broward Sheriff's Office put out that they had 11 people in custody, migrants that came on shore in this boat. But within the last hour since we've been here, we watched at least 3 men get tracked down and taken into custody by federal agents. I actually spoke to one as he was getting handcuffed, asked him why he decided to go on this dangerous journey from Jamaica. Our cameras rolling as federal agents and Broward Sheriff's deputies arrest multiple men they say arrived on board a migrant boat. While handcuffed, this man tells us why they made the trek from Jamaica to the Bahamas, then to Pompano Beach this morning.
Fear killing going on over there. Really want to leave. Want a better life. No life is in Jamaica right now.
Is this true? Is the cause for Jamaica's brain drain crisis crime? Is it poverty? Or is it just simply put greed and envy? When all is said and done, what is the solution?